Hi! Today we will review the Spam Orders Shield module for WHMCS. In the menu, select our module and you will be redirected to the Order Overview page. Select a module from the available options and click Order Now. After checking the details, click Confirm. If you do not have a WHMCS account yet, create one with us as shown in the example. Once the account is created, click Complete Order. Now log in to your WHMCS account as shown in the example. Go to the Services section. Here you will see the module you purchased. Open it and find your license key. Next, you need to install the module. Click Download Now. Go to the WHMCS control panel. Go to System Settings, then Additional Modules. Configure your module by clicking Configure. Enter the license key you received earlier. Click Save. Congratulations! The plugin is installed and will start working automatically after activation. Now you can see how it looks and works. Thank you for your attention.